Hey friends, welcome back to the channel. Got a quick one for you today. Hey, check it out. On my refrigerator door, the handle's getting loose. It's a pretty common thing. After refrigerators age, the handles get used a bunch, they get loose. Check it out. These work, almost all of them, the exact same way. And here's what it is. You're gonna find a set screw like this one right here. You're gonna need the Allen wrench to do that. I'll show you how it's done. If you don't see it here, look underneath maybe. Look on the side right here. And at first you're gonna go, I don't have one of those. And then you're gonna look around and go, oh yes, I do. So mine are on the inside. You open up the door and then you can see it a little bit better. So then you'll need an Allen wrench. Here's what I have right here. These are a couple different sets that I have. And I'll put a link down in the description down below, but you can pick these up for like $6 or $7, not very much money. Or maybe you have some old ones lying around like these ones right here. So try them out, find the right size. Let's see if we can do this one-handed, holding the camera. Look at that. Now I already tested it out to make sure I have the right size. But look, make sure your handle's all the way in there, pushed in firm, and we're just gonna tighten it up. If this becomes loose on a regular basis, let's say you have to tighten this more than once a year, maybe twice a year, you can actually pull these screws all the way out, put on some Loctite, put them back in, and that'll make them hold for a much longer period of time. So you're gonna tighten up this one here, down at the bottom. I've gotta tighten up that one right there, which I already did. So now this handle is nice and tight. We'll do the same thing with this handle right here. And I actually have my freezer one there too that we're gonna tighten up. Even though it's not too loose, we'll just make sure we hit them all up. Hey friends, hope today's video helped you out. If it did, give it a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and we'll see you next time.